Here we will film the expanding lava tank. Another lava crocodile. Plenty of them here. Here we had a lava plate crash, which is just separated kind of from the masses of lava. And here a lava crocodile is eating the grass. See? Brutal lava crocodile has no mercy for the grass. It buries it for eternity. Extremely hot. I'm standing 5 or 4 meters away from this crocodile. And my face is literally burning face. I don't know how long I can hold. Lava crocodile is turning into the rock crocodile. It's slowly being solidified. It's really enjoyable. People do enjoy this, as you see. Those fellows speak Arabic. And they had a flag of Palestine with them. Still expanding, as you see. Look. Still eating, still feeding on the moss.